Hello, Quality Landscape Materials. My name is Nasos Georgalis and I work with Epilysis Solutions in Charlotte, and we are a marketing agency. I spoke with Sandy yesterday and she told me to send you the present screencast, which is a short video about 5 minutes that gives you an insight about your online presence. And as I told Sandy over the phone, we are working with landscaping material companies all over the country. And I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. And I'll show you some of the things I can see that's working well for you and also what's working well for your competition. So I don't want to waste more of your time. I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can grow your business and help bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics that we are going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content, and it's also readable by search engines. Content in our front page should be typically around 1500 words, and although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are the key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. So the first tip that I want to give you guys is that you have to make sure that you have more relevant keyword rich content that's unique on your front page so that the search engines can help get your company rank as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook, but as I said earlier, a website is not an Instagram page, and a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords to rank higher. In your web page, the words are not even close to that number, so it needs some work in order to reach that number. Anyway, let's move to the second thing that I wanted to go over with you, and this is citations. And if I do a search here in Google about landscaping materials in your area, the first thing that you're going to see with most of these types of searches is going to be ads, which normally are right here above the map, and these businesses basically are paying Google to be on top of the search results. This is not the case here. There are no ads. So on page 1, as we saw there, following the search query, you first find the map section. Your company is in the second place, and in order to be here, this has to do with citations. Naturally, you will ask yourself, what are citations and how do I get them, right? Well, a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. A good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be a tip tip number 2 is that just with citations, in order for us to beat out our competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition listed in, and then you want to try to get in those same directories, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. However, you don't want to just stop there, and in order for you to really beat out your competition, you will need to make sure that you are doing what they're doing, and then adding a little bit more. And so that's kind of what matters most as how to rank your company here in the maps. You are in the second place, but with the huge growth of Gastonia and the new companies that are coming in, Carolina Landscape Supply is not Carolina Landscape Supply anymore, although it shows like that. It's the Site 1 Landscape Supply now, and they are quite strong in terms of their online presence, as we will see later on. So back in what are the backlinks? So backlinks, as we said, have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps, and so we are talking about this area. And here basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page, and so that could be a local news company that they did a story on you, and then they link the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So using a tool that we have here called Ahrefs, that our agency is paying more than $800 a month to have it, we get a good idea on what's working well for you and what's not. This is not 100% accurate, but this tool basically shows that you guys have 10 referring domains, giving you 22 backlinks. And if I go in here, it's going to show me all the different websites that are currently linking to you guys, and a lot of this, like for instance, localgroupstate.com are basically business directories, and as we can see, there are not many listings of you in directories. We see deals, we see just a few, so we see find a business, we see video pages. So in order to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you are getting in as many places as your competition is in. And what your competition looks like, they have Site 1, which has taken over from the other company. It only shows 5 backlinks and 5 referring domains, but they are a big company, and they're definitely gonna push some money on their website. You can see here how they are growing. So I would expect, if that is a new website, I will expect in the future more and more backlinks and referring domains, so that you should do some more work on that. With the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in more places, but that's giving you, if we see here, it gives you not many keywords. It only gives you around 24 keywords in comparison to Site 1 that has 41. And if we see another company, like for instance Yardworks Landscape Supply in Fort Mill, it has 1,000 organic keywords. So we really want to work on that in order to be on top of things and be able to overrank our competition, both now but in the future. So if we see the competition, we have already the competition is outranking you in organic keywords. They have 41 comparing to 24 from you, and as we said, 1,000 from Yardworks Landscape Supply. If we go and see the keywords that are relevant to you, we see that by clicking here, we see basically QLM Gastonia, quality landscape materials, QLM Gastonia NC. We see you at Mulch Gastonia NC. We see not a very big volume, and you are ranking low. That's your ranking over here. You are basically ranking higher when it comes to your name. So basically you know that in order to beat these guys and start ranking for other words that have to do with landscaping in Gastonia, we have to do a little bit more work on your website. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can help grow your business and bring you guys some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. And just if you wouldn't mind, give me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you for your time, and you guys have a great month. Thank you very much.